Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Rat Sorb is probably one of the most effective and safest ways to eliminate the lingering stench of dead rodents, ensuring a clean and healthy environment for you and your family. This powerful odor eliminator tackles the toughest smells, neutralizing the unpleasantness associated with decomposing animals and leaving behind a fresh scent, making it an invaluable tool for pest control and cleanup. Number 5. Rocco and Roxie Stain Eliminator. It's tough on stains and odors, but gentle on your home and family. This formula is chlorine-free, color-safe, and safe for use around pets and children, even earning the Carpet and Rug Institute's seal of approval. Say goodbye to messes. It doesn't just mask odors, it eliminates them, tackling everything from pet urine to vomit and other organic spills. Use it anywhere stains happen. From carpets and furniture to clothing and pet areas, it's versatile enough to handle any mess. The secret is its natural enzymes. They're activated on contact, breaking down ammonia crystals and organic matter until they're completely gone. We're confident you'll love it. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. It's gentle enough for use around children and pets, and tough enough to eliminate even the toughest stains. It tackles stains and odors on any surface, from carpets to clothing. If you need a versatile, pet-safe odor eliminator that works on everything, this is the one for you. What people say. It saved me and I seriously can't say enough good things about it. It got to the point that no matter how hard I cleaned, the smell just wouldn't go away no matter what I did, and I was starting to feel uncomfortable about finally being able to have people over to my house again since the pandemic. It was beyond frustrating. As soon as it was delivered to my house, I seriously ripped open the box and tested it out, and folks, it was seriously like someone waved a magic wand in my house. I went around the house spraying their usual spots that I had figured out, and it was like they were never there. The smell was gone, the few stains that were there, poof, gone. Sprayed this stuff liberally, covering the entire section, and then I bit the bullet, took off the cap and poured some right down into the upholstery. Left it for hours to do its enzyme magic. It smelled great. Later, I came back with the machine and plain water and steamed wet it on the whole section to avoid watermarks, then sucked out the liquid over and over until there was nothing more coming out. The smell was so sparkly and clean. Sort of minty but not minty. Definitely not chemically like the stuff everywhere else. I have let it dry by itself the past couple of days. It smells beautiful and fresh. I have been happy with this stain and odor eliminator. So, it's color safe and also pet and child safe, which brings a sense of comfort. And the part that it works on every surface, big tick. It does its magic by eliminating stains and odors effectively. Number 4. Zero Odor Household Kit. Tired of lingering odors in your home? This kit eliminates them completely, not just masks them. It's safe for use in any room. From the kitchen and bathroom to the nursery and basement, it tackles odors anywhere. It even works on tough smells like smoke and skunk. It doesn't use perfumes to cover up odors, it eliminates them at the source. A temporary scent helps you see where you've sprayed, then disappears quickly. It's completely safe for your family and pets. It contains no bleach or chlorine, making it a worry-free solution. Spray it in the air and on surfaces to eliminate existing odors and prevent new ones from forming. Keep your home fresh and clean. Enjoy a fresh-smelling home without harsh chemicals. It's the simple, effective way to eliminate odors for good. What we like. This product truly eliminates odors, not just masks them, and it does so without harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. It's safe for use in various areas of your home, including nurseries. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to eliminate odors without masking them, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It kills odors. We have an open floor plan and smells from cooking go throughout the entire house. Also have 2 dogs, so I mixed this 50-50 with Caldria Room and Linen Essential Oil Fragrance Spray. The fragrance with this odor eliminator is perfect. I did have to spray the squares several times, but by God this product works. It did smell a little like bleach, however it did not discolor or stain the squares. I sprayed this in the air in every room and on under the cabinets where the microwave had been. It immediately smelled better. The next day I still smelled a slightly burnt odor in the kitchen, so sprayed the cabinet doors and counter and walls, tile and wallpaper, where the disaster occurred. The cabinets are wooden and it didn't harm them or the washable wallpaper. I no longer smell the smoke. Number 3. Zero Odor Multipurpose Eliminator. Are you tired of lingering odors in your home? It eliminates odors, not just masks them, leaving your space fresh and clean. From kitchens and bathrooms to nurseries and basements, it tackles even the toughest smells. It's perfect for eliminating pet odors, smoke, and even skunk spray. Unlike other sprays, it doesn't just cover up odors with perfumes. It uses patented technology to actually eliminate them at the source. A light scent will help you see where you've sprayed, then quickly disappears, leaving only freshness behind. It's easy to use and incredibly effective. It's the ultimate solution for a fresh-smelling home. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with truly odor-free spaces. Eliminate musty smells and other unpleasant odors with ease. It's the powerful, effective solution you've been searching for. What we like. It effectively eliminates odors from various sources, including pets, without using perfumes or fragrances to cover them up. It's designed to work on both air and surfaces. If you need a reliable odor eliminator for your home that doesn't use masking fragrances, this is a great option. What people say. It kills odors. We have an open floor plan and smells from cooking go throughout the entire house. Also have 2 dogs, so I mixed this 50-50 with Caldria Room and Linen Essential Oil Fragrance Spray. The fragrance with this odor eliminator is perfect. I did have to spray the squares several times, but by God this product works. It did smell a little like bleach, however it did not discolor or stain the squares. I sprayed this in the air in every room and on under the cabinets where the microwave had been. It immediately smelled better. The next day I still smelled a slightly burnt odor in the kitchen, so sprayed the cabinet doors and counter and walls, tile and wallpaper, where the disaster occurred. The cabinets are wooden and it didn't harm them or the washable wallpaper. I no longer smell the smoke. Number 2. 12-pack Bamboo Charcoal Air Purifier Bags. These activated bamboo charcoal bags are 3 times more effective than ordinary carbon at eliminating odors and excess moisture. They truly absorb odors, not just mask them. For faster odor removal, increase the number of bags used. A larger bag will work much more quickly than a smaller one. With various sizes available, they fit perfectly in shoes, cars, basements, and more. They'll keep these areas fresh and dry. Place bags strategically for optimal odor absorption. Using several bags will create a larger area of freshness. Made from natural bamboo charcoal, it's safe for pets and babies. Reactivate them in sunlight monthly for lasting freshness up to 2 years. We're confident in our product and offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try them risk-free. What we like. These bags use natural bamboo charcoal to absorb odors and moisture, lasting up to 2 years with reactivation. They're perfect for various spaces, from shoes to cars. If you prefer a natural, long-lasting odor solution, these bags are a great choice. What people say. I put 2 150s in the bathroom, where I keep the box. 2 in my living room, 1 in the kitchen, and 1 in my bedroom. I've got a small one in each trash can and rotate them in footwear as I rotate them on my feet. Slippers - shoes. My mother, who has a very sensitive nose, and brought the cat scent to my attention, I guess I was used to it, even appreciated them so much that she bought some for herself. Put these out in parts of my house and next day I noticed my bathroom didn't smell musty and bedrooms fresh. They seemed to work pretty well in the closets, but the clothes still had a bit of the mustiness in them. Perhaps I need to use a larger one in the closets. I do think they work well keeping the air fresher in the house, as I've tried other ways to eliminate the odors which didn't work as well. Number 1. Fresh Wave Odor Gel. Tired of unpleasant smells in your home? This innovative gel effectively absorbs odors, leaving your space feeling clean and fresh. It works around the clock to neutralize odors, keeping your home smelling its best. Enjoy continuous freshness throughout the day and night. Each jar provides 30 to 60 days of odor control, depending on the size of the area and the intensity of the odors. Convenient refills are available when you're running low. It's made with natural, plant-based ingredients and is free from harsh chemicals, parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. It's also EPA Safer Choice certified. It effectively tackles odors from cooking, pets, and trash. The pleasant plant-based scent is derived from essential oils like lime, pine, and clove. Place it conveniently on countertops, shelves, or in any area needing odor control, such as bathrooms, basements, or pet areas. It's perfect for kitchens and home gyms too. While the packaging may look slightly different, the formula remains the same high-quality product you know and love. You might receive either the new or old packaging during this transition. What we like. Each jar provides odor relief for 30 to 60 days, and it uses natural, plant-based ingredients for a safer alternative. It's perfect for various areas, including kitchens and pet areas. If you are looking for a long-lasting, plant-based odor solution, this is a great option. What people say. Within 48 hours the smell was gone. The original smell was not hidden by another smell to disguise the original smell. These really work well to absorb bad odor. Lasts about 3 months before the gel dries out. Not messy and better than potpourri or perfumed sprays for those of us with nasal allergies. Fresh Wave products are great at eliminating odors. They absorb rather than mask odors. I place them in the kitchen when preparing supper, and cooking smells are gone by the next day. Also great in bathrooms for eliminating odors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.